and गलती भी हो, good चीज हो, bad चीज हो, it doesn't really matter, because today this is a stepping stone for who you are tomorrow. So nothing is a waste in that sense.
It was not literally easy to share a part, because our incidents, which have shaped us so much and we are not so proud of, it's not something to share that part so easily with anyone.
For anybody जिसके पास अलग experience है, जिसमें उसने guilt महसूस किया है या not very proud of वाला कोई भी incident हुआ है, it's always good. Welcome to BNT.
Let me tell you what BNT is first. BNT is what we call ourselves, and let me tell you why we call ourselves BNT. It's basically Bhumika, Nitika, that's our BNT.
Of our WhatsApp group.
Yeah, we have a WhatsApp group. So the first time we decided to meet, basically, I didn't know what to call the group. We were coordinating a plan, so I just said, "Kya bolu? Chalo BNT."
She is responsible for
I thought we can name it as NBT, Nav Bharat Time.
BNT is much
BNT is cool. BNT is cool. So basically, I think we keep meeting amongst ourselves all the time, and we keep talking. तो हमने सोचा कि चलो आपके साथ भी बात कर लेते हैं.
You deserve to know some of our goss.
Gossip, you want to know? Some of our gossip, not all.
Sip some of our gossip.
Just some.
But today I will tell you something. It's not a gossip. There was this student who was a little lost in my class yesterday. So I asked her what happened. Where are you lost? So she told me about an incident that happened to her. And I didn't know what to say. But in my heart, what I felt was कि जो भी इसके साथ अभी हुआ है, it's going to shape her personality.
Yeah.
It's going to make her something in future which is going to work for her. In favor of.
Because we don't realize, no, sometimes when we're younger, there are so many of these things that happen to us, which actually become a founding, like a foundation or a belief system for us, which then shapes who we are.
It doesn't go. It's a part of us, and I feel all of us have had tons of stories which have shaped us into what we are. Some good, some bad. So much of unlearning has happened.
Yeah.
But let's just talk about some of those stories. Why don't we start with you, Tarana? Something
सबको story बोलना है. मतलब basically
incidents become a story when you have overcome them.
That is true. Absolutely correct है. Okay, I'll tell you. So there was one incident like that I think is a very important part of who I am today, and I think it's become a very sweet story also. No, because she said no, incidents become stories later, so ठीक है, correct है. Okay, so I'll tell you. So this incident, which is now a story, basically happened when I was about maybe 7 or 8 years old. तो बेसिकली मेरा बर्थडे आ रहा था. ओके, नाउ नॉर्मली माय बर्थडे इज 20th October. आवर बर्थडे इज 20th October नॉर्मली. बाय द वे, फॉर यू ऑल टू नो, भूमिका एंड मी शेयर द सेम बर्थडे व्हिच वी डिस्कवर्ड वेरी रिसेंटली. बट दिस इज नॉट अबाउट दैट. दिस इज नॉर्मली क्या होता था, आई एम श्योर इट हैपेंड टू यू आल्सो, कि 20th October कम्स राइट इन द मिडल ऑफ दशहरा, दिवाली वगैरह. तो क्या था उस वक्त, नो, एवरीवन वुड लाइक द बर्थडे टू कम ड्यूरिंग स्कूल का टाइम, बिकॉज स्कूल के टाइम में फिर चॉकलेट्स, you basically distribute the chocolate, तैयार होके जाओ. That's the day that you don't have to be like in your uniform and all of that. But मेरा birthday हमेशा used to come during the त्योहारों में. तो as a result, I used to not get a chance to dress up and distribute sweets and all. So one particular year, I think when I was 7 or 8 years old, वो थोड़े मतलब कस्प पे आ रहा था, just before the holidays were starting. तो मुझे लगा कि अच्छा, just before the holidays start, I am going to be celebrating my birthday in school. I had already thought, I said I'm going to wear this pink color dress and मैं सब students को अपना sweets distribute करती हूँ. Now school में sweets distribute करना बहुत बड़ी चीज थी. ओके, बिकॉज उस टाइम हम लोग क्या करते थे, कलर ड्रेस तो पहनते थे, स्वीट्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते थे, और फिर जब हम स्वीट्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते थे ना, हमारे पास एक वो बेसिकली हेल्पर हो जाता था हमारा. एंड एवरीवन एग्जैक्टली so basically, so here I had already told this one friend of mine ke, you know what, tomorrow I'm going to be celebrating my birthday, so you be my helper. And there were actually 2 people who were fighting. No, I'll be, and I said okay, we'll decide tomorrow, maybe you can be, almost. Anyway, ये सब तो हो गया, and I'm very excited excited, and I've somehow managed to say, okay, chalo, both of you all help me. But I'm generally a peacemaker. I'll be like, अच्छा ठीक है, चलो तुम भी कर लो, कोई problem नहीं, manage कर ले. ऐसे. Anyway, point is this. Now I'm very excited because कल मेरा birthday celebration है. तो मैं घर गई और मैंने मम्मा को बोला कि, you know what, tomorrow I want to wear this dress and we are going to take these chocolates. And my mom was like, but we are not celebrating your birthday tomorrow. So I said, what do you mean? So she's saying, I never told you that you were going to be celebrating your birthday tomorrow. Why did you go and you tell your friends something like that? So I said, but you said that we'll celebrate it before the holidays. Now she said, yes, but I didn't tell you which day I'm going to celebrate it on. And I haven't even made the preparation. So how can you go and promise your friends that, you know, you're going to go ahead and do this? My to heart sank because I was like at 7 or 8 years old. Okay, पहले तो मैंने अपने फ्रेंड्स को प्रॉमिस किया, मैंने बोल दिया है कि क्या कल आई एम गोइंग टू गेट दीस चॉकलेट्स एंड यू ऑल आर सपोज्ड टू बी माय हेल्पर्स. नाउ अब तो ये मोए सिचुएशन, आई डिडंट नो व्हाट टू डू.
So you realize child also has an ego.
Absolutely.
And a big one.
Absolutely. तो anyway मैंने बोला अब मैं क्या करूं. So I was really scared. I was like, you know, क्या करूं. So I tried to convince my mom. I was like, Mama, please. Please से बात नहीं बनी. I cried and I threw a tantrum कि, you know, you always do this and all, but my mom तो hates tantrums. So मैं tantrum जब किया तो और भी she said, now if you're behaving like this, I am not going to do it. अब तो मैं अटक गई. मैंने ये ट्राई किया, वो वर्क नहीं हुआ, ये ट्राई किया, वो वर्क नहीं हुआ. अब मैं क्या करूं? बिकॉज ईगो तो की तो बात थी, you're right, और प्रॉमिस किया था, तो अब मैं क्या करूं? तो मैंने क्या किया, मैंने सोचा कि ठीक है, जब कोई नहीं होता ना, भगवान होता है. सो आई वेंट डाउन टू माई बिल्डिंग एंड आई हैव दिस वन फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन एंड आई टोल्ड हर माई प्रॉब्लम. शी वाज माय बिल्डिंग फ्रेंड, सो आई कुड लाइक कन्फाइड इन हर एंड टेल हर, देखो ये प्रॉब्लम हो गया है and I don't know what to do and I feel my mother is not listening to me and I've tried everything but she's not listening to me. Now I think only God can make her listen to me. ठीक है. So she was like, okay then वो भी हम साथ है type बोली. तो she said, let's pray to God. I said, let's do that. Okay. Drama I think has been in my blood for a very long time. अब उस वक्त क्या होता था कि we used to see all these TV serials and movies and all के जब कोई बंदा या बंदी, you know, they stand on one leg and मतलब ऐसे, you know, like हाँ stand on one leg, वो penance करते हैं अपना. हाँ basically. So I was like कि पता है मैंने ऐसे मूवी में देखा था. So maybe we should stand on one leg. You know how योगा में हम लोग वृक्षासन करते हैं, basically tree pose. Yeah. So I said we'll stand in the tree pose. उस वक्त मेरे को tree pose पता नहीं था, but we'll stand on one leg and we'll put our arms up and we'll just keep praying to God and God will listen to us. और ये मेरे मन में पक्का बिलीव था कि मैं ऐसे करूंगी तो God will listen and God will listen to me. So basically, ठीक है, innocent थी काफी मैं उस वक्त, but anyway, whatever it is, my friend and me, we stood in the, you know, the building compound and passerbys probably thought we were thoda crazy because she also did it with me. She also, this is friendship, totally. So both of us stood in the building compound and we stood on one leg and we prayed, and I really prayed. I was like, God, please make my mother do this to me. It'll be very bad for me if this doesn't happen. You please do this to me, please. I'll do anything. It just make this happen. I believe in you. I trust you. I believe in you. I trust you. अब इससे ज्यादा तो मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकती थी. तो ये खत्म हुआ इंसिडेंट ये वाला. और फिर मैं उस रात I was still a little upset and I went to basically next day was supposed to be my not my birthday. What I had thought was supposed to be my celebration day, but according to my mom it was not. And my mom was adamant कि ये होगा ही नहीं. But मेरा ये पूरा belief था कि मैं God को अगर pray करूंगी तो basically if I believe this is going to happen, okay. तो फिर ये सब मैंने किया. Stood on one leg, prayed and all of that. And then I don't remember. Yeah, I guess probably. Wow. And then after that, I basically ate my dinner, and again in the night I prayed and I went to sleep. Next morning, yeah. No, but the beauty is that the next morning, my mom wakes me up, and the first thing that she says to me in the morning is, "Okay, acha chalo, you were saying yesterday that you wanted to celebrate your birthday, no? Come on, we'll do it today." You cannot imagine. When we talk about incidents that shape us, you know, my belief today is, you know, शाहरुख खान का डायलॉग है ना कि अगर शिद्दत से कोई चीज चाहो तो पूरी कायनात मिलाने की कोशिश में जुट जाती है. This was the belief that actually formed at that age for me, because it made me believe that really if you want something, miracles happen.
And I personally know that That's so true.
It is. So it's not, so of course, at that point in time, I gave it the name of
Right.
God or
Yeah,
whatever
yeah,
it is, and whatever
yeah.
one's personal beliefs
Yeah.
are, that's irrelevant at this point in time. My belief today, and like I said, incidents that shape you is definitely when you have a very, very, very strong belief and you, with full sincerity, want it and you move in that direction, whatever the direction is. Of course, my direction as a child was a very different sort of direction, but here today, if you
And so
you know,
innocent.
and so innocent, and you move towards in that direction, there's nothing that can stop you. And
She has been an endorser of this for as long as we've known her. Today,
Right.
it was so enlightening to know the story which actually led her to believe this.
So
Right.
it's
So beautiful.
But I'm wondering, why was your mother so adamant of not celebrating your birthday?
पता नहीं, I think she,
Or was it a surprise actually?
नहीं,
that
नहीं,
she
नहीं,
was
नहीं,
not-
deliberate to
No,
teach her
no,
lesson
no,
that you
no,
won't
no,
get
no.
this easy.
नहीं नहीं
Birthday
मुझे
gift.
मुझे नहीं नहीं
In this form that she still carries it.
No,
with
no, I'm
herself.
sure from my mother's point of view, it was just a very practical. मैंने sweets नहीं
हाँ.
खरीदे हैं, मेरे को time नहीं मिला है, and that is why. And then later on, she must have had a change of heart.
Oh yeah,
But,
that
you
point
know-
of time there was no Swiggy also.
No, exactly. No, Zepto, no, nothing. Yeah,
Convenient for kids. I mean, you name a thing and kids would
Yeah,
have it.
yeah,
But
yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
I am sure this would have shaped
Yeah,
your
it does.
personality.
So, any stories like that for you?
Yeah, too many stories, but there's one story which I very vividly remember. Not a very good one,
Oh,
but
okay.
not a very good one in the sense that I have done something negative in that story. But yeah, it shaped me tremendously.
Okay.
So I remember going to this aunt's place. So my aunt had two daughters. One was of my age. So at that time, my father never used to buy me any present or any materialistic toy or gift. It was a delayed happiness wala concept which my father practiced with me. He always used to say, "We are not that." We
It
don't
was
have money."
conscious.
It
in
was
your
conscious.
case. Huh.
He never wanted me to believe that okay, I can afford and
Yeah.
buy her anything in the first go. Whenever she says, "Papa, buy me this," Papa. So that was something he used to practice with me and my brother also. But I'm the eldest child, so I got more of that treatment. So when I went to my aunt's place, it was one of the daughter's birthday for which I went. I don't know what happened. Her father gifted her a, you remember that chair जिसमें हवा भरते थे और वो स्विमिंग पूल बन जाता था
Yeah, yeah.
और ऐसी हवा भरते थे वो बीन बैग टाइप का चेयर बन
हाँ,
जाता
हाँ,
था
Right.
हाँ.
तो that chair was gifted to her by her father and I saw the happiness on her face when her father, she opened the gift. It was जैसे डब्बे में
Wow.
फोटो क्या आता था
हाँ.
और मुझे बहुत खराब लगा
हाँ.
कि मेरे पापा मुझे कुछ नहीं देते
Right.
मेरे and I
Right.
think I was
And as a
14
child, I
years
can feel the
Yeah,
intensity of it.
absolutely.
Right.
Yeah, yeah.
It was like यार 14 years की हो गई हूँ मेरे पापा ने तो मुझे कुछ नहीं दिया.
Yeah.
At that time I didn't understand the lesson that he wanted to teach me. Today I'm extremely thankful. But yeah, something happened and I could not see her happy. Like I was like I want to be this happy kid. I don't want to see कि मेरे पास वो नहीं है. Why don't I share that bond with the father? She hugged her father tightly and she was like, "Thank you, Papa, thank you."
Yeah.
वो jump करने लग गई वो. And I was like, "Oh, मेरे को भी चाहिए वैसा वाला." And my mother was, उनके हाथ मेरे कंधे पे थे कि हम कामली खड़े हैं. My mother was not realizing कि मुझे कैसा लग रहा होगा. I don't know why I did that. सब लोग दूसरे रूम में शिफ्ट हुए, सबको प्लेट में खाना मिल रहा था. That birthday party में समोसा and all of that. I had a safety pin. I'm not proud of it, but yeah, you can anticipate what I could have done. I don't know why I did that. I came to this room where the chair was kept क्योंकि उसके पापा ने उसको पंप से फुला के दिया ताकि मेरा बच्चा बैठे उसमें और वो उसी में बैठ के उसने केक काटा था. Why I did that, Ritika Tarana, please don't judge me.
No, that's so understandable. Yeah,
Sweet.
it's understandable.
But I sat on it and I punctured it 5 times.
Oh my god. Yeah.
And I don't know why.
Yes.
Oh, I feel like giving you a hug.
Innocence.
No, it's
Actually,
like the child, you know. No.
Innocence is innocence.
And even at that time, something in me was talking कि ये गलत कर रही है यार, तू गलत कर रही है. तो मुझे करना था.
Yeah.
But I don't know why. मैं बार जा रही थी, देख क्या रही थी, सब वहीं बैठे हैं. ये रूम अकेला है, कोई नहीं है. जाओ, बैठो, पंचर. फिर go eat, out. 4-5 times I did. I don't know what happened then. I came back. I was shivering because my mother always used to do what? सोने से पहले एक छोटा सा मंदिर है रूम में, वहां जाके मत्था टेको और हाथ जोड़ के फिर सो. छोटी थी मैं. जब मैं अंदर मत्था टेकने गई सोने से पहले, I was not leaving my mama's दुपट्टा. I said मुझे कुछ बताना है आपको. मुझे कुछ बताना है.
And this is what age you're saying?
6th or 7th I was not leaving her and she knew बस मत्था टेक के अंदर ही तो आना है, तो मेरी क्या जरूरत है, रूम में ही मंदिर था. I said, Mama, मैंने ये कर दिया है और मैं बहुत रोई. So yeah, and so I slept and next day I called that aunt. My mother called that aunt. मेरे में तो she said यार मेरी बेटी ने ऐसा कर दिया है and I'm very sorry, and of course they had a chat कि चलो बच्चे करते हैं, but I can't forget यार.
But the beauty is that you wouldn't. It's true, because this, what has happened, has shaped her to such an extent that now that inner voice of what is
Super
right,
loud.
what
You
is
could
wrong.
hear yourself for the first time so
Yes.
loud.
Yeah,
And वो जो
yeah.
guilt है ना,
Oh God,
Yeah.
that kills you.
that
Yeah,
kills you.
yeah,
So
I
it's
can't
not easy to do something wrong. There are so many
Huh.
times people hit and run.
Yeah,
Right,
it's
yes.
not.
The hit and run case, this actually brings shiver. आप कैसे किसी
कैसे?
को उड़ाकर भाग सकते हैं? लोग भाग जाते हैं.
Yeah. I mean,
They would never come back because उनको पता है वो जेल में जाएंगे. They would never come back and
but that
help.
itself, is not easy to do. But you're right. I get.
But I'm sure this would haunt them. at
Exactly.
night.
That's what I'm saying. It's not. No.
You
That's
can't-
exactly my point. That
night
it's so
especially.
easy. Yeah.
At
Because
night
that's the time you're alone. That's the time your inner voice is like maximum
Yeah,
at that point in time.
maximum.
Na? कि क्या है?
And you can't shut that up.
Yeah, I guess
So
that's
वो जो
true.
guilt है ना, उससे मैं तो बहुत बचती हूँ.
हाँ यार.
So
Yeah,
वो
no.
वो आपने महसूस कर लिया ना एक बार.
हाँ.
Similar to
Forget.
what I have done.
Oh, really?
हाँ.
So not very similar, but very mean, very mean. So I bought sports shoes. ठीक है? I was in class 7th. मेरी cousin की शादी थी. So and we had a very meager income in our home कि आप बस limited चीजें खरीद सकते हो. So I thought of कि हाँ best रहेगा shoes खरीदना, क्योंकि वो लॉन्ग टर्म चलते हैं, मेरे काम भी आएंगे, घूमने में के भी काम आएंगे. सो आई वाज लिटिल टॉमबॉयिश. तो मैंने चूज किया शूज खरीदना, और मोती नगर में खरीदा था हमने ये शूज दिल्ली
अच्छा,
में.
हाँ.
ठीक है. सो वहां से अच्छे एक बढ़िया शूज खरीद के मैं आगे. आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी, वेरी कॉन्टेंट की अच्छा मैंने इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है अपने पेरेंट्स के मनी का. आई एंटर दिस रूम, शादी का माहौल चल रहा है,
अच्छा.
शादी के लिए ही खरीदे हैं.
अच्छा.
तो मेरी cousin, she had a great impact on my head that point in time.
Okay, influence किया था.
हाँ.
तो वो ज्यादा मतलब मैंने उनको बहुत तवज्जो दी रखी थी
ठीक
कि
है.
whatever
मानती थी तुम.
मानती थी.
हाँ.
तो उन्होंने कहा कि स्पोर्ट शूज कौन पहनता है सगन पे? It's a
अच्छा.
ceremony. Who would wear a sport shoes? You would have
Ethnic
bought,
है.
you would have bought heels.
या.
हाँ, make sense.
हाँ.
मैंने शूज के लिए लिए यार.
हाँ. सही बात है. अच्छा, तू क्वेश्चन करने लग गई खुद को.
हाँ, तो मैंने कहा नहीं ये चेंज कराओ. पापा को
Zip.
बोला चेंज कराओ, मुझे नहीं चाहिए शूज, मुझे हील्स ही चाहिए. पापा ने कहा अब तो ले लिया, अब तो हो गया, ये नॉन रिफंडेबल
हाँ,
है.
obviously, yeah.
मेरे को हील्स चाहिए. फिर नहीं अब नहीं आ सकता, जितना बजट था वो हमने शूज में लगा दिया. एंड दे वर सम एक्सपेंसिव शूज कि
yeah.
अच्छे उन्होंने लगा दिया.
Yeah.
उनका बजट था
Yeah,
यार, उनके
yeah.
खुद के पता है शूज में होल था.
Oh,
बट ही
really?
बॉट शूज फॉर मी. मैंने वो जूते उठाए फॉर माय डैड
oh,
What?
God.
in front of everybody कि I don't want this. I don't know. as
Hi,
a
she
child-
must only have cried the maximum after doing this, I feel, yeah.
What age?
7th, I was in 7th.
She's,
What
I can
children?
still, I know. I think we've all done things that we're
That
not
rush
proud
of
of.
emotions.
And I wore the
It's,
same shoes. I regretted it so much बाद में कि यार
Yeah,
Wow.
koi nahi. But see, this is what I'm trying to say. Okay? All of us have done things that we're
We're
not
not
very
very
proud
proud
of.
of.
There's, I mean, I think till today we do things that we're not very proud of. I don't think that has anything to do with just the, just when we were. But I think to bring this discussion to a little bit of a, is that if you could, because you are in a place, or all of us are in a place where we're talking to students, all the time. I think if we were able to communicate to the
Right.
students that,
Oh,
and it's just,
yeah.
and galti bhi ho, good cheese ho, bad cheese ho, it doesn't really matter, because today this is a stepping stone
Yeah.
for who you are tomorrow. So nothing is a waste in that
And
sense.
one more thing I
and-
would like to add, it was not literally easy to share a part, because our incidents,
Of course.
which have shaped us so much and we are not so proud of,
Yeah.
it's not something to share that part so easily with anyone. But this safe space that BNT has,
Yes.
is that.
No, that's there, but for anybody जिसके पास अलग experience है, जिसमें उसने guilt महसूस किया है, या not very proud of वाला कोई भी incident
Yeah,
हुआ है,
yeah.
it's always very important to vent.
It is,
To vent.
but to vent in the safe
In a-
space,
in a safe
say,
space.
which is what she's saying that BNT
Yeah,
is.
but it is important to vent.
It is. It
but
is.
it's so difficult to find that safe space.
Yes.
Nitya.
So
Right.
what?
If you keep it to yourself,
So this is what we need to communicate to the students also, and I
Yeah.
think what we are doing over here is inviting you into this safe,
Small safe space of
small
ours,
safe
of
space with
venting,
us.
huh?
of venting.
Yeah, it's
sharing.
like basically Dil Ki Baat, right?
Yes.
Right?
Ki baat.
The NT
The
के
comment section is free for all of you all to share anything you would like to. I think हम
Right,
सब बहुत
right.
खुश होंगे अगर आप trust करके हमारे साथ share
Yes.
करते हैं, like we have done.
And we'll try and
with
keep
you.
these coming as much as we can. All right.
Hope you
That's
liked it, guys.